In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Smartsheet license. Understanding the type of plan you're on is crucial, whether you're trying to manage your account, understand user limitations, or prepare for a growing team. So let's dive into this straightforward process. First, you'll want to open Smartsheet and locate your profile icon, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the screen. It's usually a photo or an icon representing your account. Click on your profile icon to access your account settings. This is often the starting point for managing various settings in Smartsheet. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll need to select the Plan and Billing Info option. This section provides you with detailed information about your current plan, including your subscription status and billing details. It's also where you'll get to confirm if you're on a free or paid plan. Now, if your plan name reads free or trial, this indicates that you're not currently a licensed user. Free and trial plans come with limited access and may restrict you from some of the more advanced features of Smartsheet. However, they are a great way to explore the platform if you're just getting started. On the other hand, if the plan indicates a paid package, such as business or enterprise, congratulations, you're a licensed user, which means you have access to a full range of features that come with these plans. Licensed users enjoy enhanced Smartsheet capabilities that can significantly boost productivity and collaboration within your organization. If you happen to be a system admin, you can delve even deeper by accessing the Admin Center. You can do this by once again selecting your profile icon and then choosing Admin Center from the menu. The Admin Center is your control hub where you can make changes to user access, manage licenses, and oversee how Smartsheet is used across your organization. In the Admin Center, you may notice one of two options. A visible option indicating a user subscription model means you can manage your licenses directly within this interface. It's a straightforward tool that offers a dashboard for altering permissions and ensuring everyone in your team is correctly set up. On the flip side, if this option isn't present, it means your account is set up under the legacy collaborator model. For managing licenses in this scenario, you'll head over to Account and then to User Management. Here you can adjust settings related to your team's access just as effectively. Understanding whether you're on the user subscription model or the legacy collaborator model helps in determining how to best manage your team's needs. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your account setup and pave the way for efficient Smartsheet usage. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to checking your Smartsheet license. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing with Smartsheet.